So picture this. You're at the dealership. The sun is glinting off rows of shiny new metal. You've narrowed it down to two very similar-looking SUVs. On your left, the GMC Terrain SLT, with its bold truck-like grille squared-off fenders. It looks tough, substantial. On your right, the Chevrolet Equinox LT. Sleeker profile, more like a family car, softer lines, friendly face. The salesperson tells you they're almost the same, but not quite. You walk back and forth between them, opening doors, kicking tires, gently, trying to figure out where the extra money for the GMC really goes. This is a classic American car buying puzzle. Today, we're going to solve it. The biggest quirk and feature of this whole comparison is that both of these SUVs are made by the same company, General Motors. Think of them not as rivals, but as cousins. They are built on the same fundamental platform, which is car speak for sharing the same skeleton, engine, transmission, underlying structure you can't see. Because of this, they drive in a very similar way and have nearly identical interior dimensions. The real differences, the ones that matter to you, are in the details, the styling, the features, and the price tag attached to them. Now let's talk about brand image, because it matters. Chevrolet is GM's everyman brand. It's for everyone. Chevy builds cars, trucks, and SUVs that are meant to be dependable, affordable, and practical. They sell a massive number of vehicles, and the Equinox is one of their superstars because it checks all the right boxes for the average family. First, let's decode the letters on the back. The LT on the Equinox stands for Luxury Touring. It's Chevy's popular mid-range trim. This isn't the basic bare-bones model, it's the one most people actually buy. It comes with a good list of standard features that make daily driving comfortable. Power driver's seat touchscreen infotainment system, alloy wheels. On the other side, SLT on the Terrain. SLT equals sign, special luxury touring. Name hints at a more premium aim. SLT is mid-range but positioned upscale versus LT. This is where you start to see differences. Leather seats, larger touchscreen, heated steering wheel. More chrome accents elevated, from functional to plush. Step inside, materials and comfort differ. Equinox LT, durable cloth seats, straightforward layout, built for family life. Terrain SLT, however, uses nicer materials throughout the cabin. Terrain quirk, push-button gear selector on dash, frees console space, takes getting used to. Under the hood, these two cousins are often identical twins. For the past several years, both the Equinox LT and the Terrain SLT have typically come standard with the same engine, a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder. This engine is designed for efficiency and everyday driving. It provides perfectly adequate power for getting around town, merging onto the highway, cruising at speed. Where you might find a slight difference is in the availability of all-wheel drive. Both models offer it as an option, which is great for buyers in snowy climates. However, one of the Terrain's professional-grade features is its driver-selectable all-wheel drive system. In the Terrain, you get a knob that lets you choose between front-wheel drive, for better fuel economy, and all-wheel drive. The Equinox often has a simpler system that kicks in automatically when it detects slip, or a button to engage it. For the Chevy Equinox LT, its key feature is value. It gives you access to a ton of modern safety features, like lane keeping assist automatic emergency braking, often as standard equipment in its Chevy Safety Assist package. For the GMC Terrain SLT, the standout features are about luxury. It often comes with a hands-free power liftgate access to more premium options, like a Bose sound system or a head-up display, which projects information onto the windshield. When it comes to price, there's a consistent and predictable gap between these two. A new GMC Terrain SLT will almost always cost a few $1,000s more than a comparably equipped Chevy Equinox LT. The Chevrolet Equinox LT is the perfect choice for the pragmatic buyer. This is the family that needs a reliable, safe, and efficient vehicle to handle school runs, grocery trips, and weekend soccer games. The GMC Terrain SLT, on the other hand, appeals to a buyer who wants a little more style and comfort. To make your final decision, here's a simple checklist. Ask yourself these questions. First, is my budget the absolute top priority? If yes, the Equinox LT is almost certainly your winner. Are leather seats, a heated steering wheel, and other small luxuries must-haves for me? If yes, the Terrain SLT is calling your name. Answering these questions honestly will point you directly to the right SUV for you.